Hello, it's Toby here. I just wanted to share my progress on my father's bust. I took a bunch of photos with my iPhone, 8 at each, 8 different angles rotationally, and then I went at 4 different heights around the sculpture that my niece provided me, and I used a blade of a hacksaw to keep a consistent length, and it gave me some, I think, pretty uniform. I don't think the photogrammetry software cares if you're consistent in distance, but I use that hacksaw blade to keep it consistent, and then I use this Colmap software. It's a little bit complex to use, but use that Colmap software to develop or render this 3D model. I'm pretty satisfied with my first attempt. Maybe I'll use more pictures. He's got a big lump on the top of his head. I believe that's because the photos were glaringly white. Because when I took pictures under the chin, I tried to keep the same photo settings, ISO settings, as when I took pictures on the top of his head. So maybe I have to uniformly light the sculpture before taking more pictures. Anyways, this is where I'm at with getting a 3D model of my dad's head. And then the next step would be to scale it. That's my 3D printer size. And obviously I can't have a sculpture this big printed on my 3D printer. So I would create the OBJ or the STL file and run it through Extruded Elements. I'm thinking one way I could do it is pass Extruded Elements through the side of his head, and that'd be least painful. No. Or I was thinking to get maybe artistic, to go at an like an ISO view, like go diagonally down through this direction, perpendicular to the screen, with Extruded Elements, and print off Extruded Elements, assemble it together into a big sculpture. Again, I plan on using like a nice carbon, dark gray color, alternating with dark black, solid black color Extruded Elements, so it's alternating. I think that would give it a real neat picture. Anyways, that's the update. Hope you guys are exploring Extruded Elements a little bit, had some time on the weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.